Stock market video. 1, 2. Sure. There are many informative and educational videos about the stock market available on YouTube. Here are a few recommendations to get you started. Stock Market for Beginners 2021 by Andrei Jikh. This video covers the basics of the stock market, including what stocks are, how to invest in them, and different investment strategies. How to Analyze Stocks in 2021 by Financial Education. This video discusses how to evaluate stocks using fundamental analysis and technical analysis, and provides tips on how to make informed investment decisions. Warren Buffett. How to Invest for Beginners by the Rich Dad channel. This video features Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, discussing his investment philosophy and offering advice for beginners. Stock Market Crash 2021. What You Need to Know by Graham Stephan. This video analyzes the causes and potential effects of the recent stock market downturn, and provides insight into how to prepare for future market volatility. These are just a few examples, but there are many other informative and educational videos available on YouTube about the stock market.